Hi friends, and welcome back to another lesson with me. Today we're back at it again with nouns. We're gonna add another type or another group of nouns to the list of nouns we already have. So we said a noun was a name of a place, a person, or a thing. Something you can see, feel, or touch, right? Now, and then we focused on a proper noun, which was specific names of people, places, and things, even animals, right? And we said proper nouns get capital letters. Why? Because they are specific names of people, places, and things. Now we're on to a new group of nouns, which is possessive nouns. Do you have a rough idea of what a possessive noun is? That's okay. I'm going to help you today. Let's go to our board. A possessive noun. Before we get started, I want you to kind of understand what we're doing. So we're going to describe what possessive means. And possessive is like saying mine. So possessive is showing that it belongs to me, right? Or it can belong to you. So if you think possessive, think mine. Okay? Awesome. So let's look at the definition of a possessive noun. Shows who owns something or has something. So how it's a noun is because we said nouns is a name of a place, person, or thing. And a possessive noun shows who owns something or has something. So this is where the noun part of possessive noun comes in, and this is where possessive part of possessive noun comes in, which is owns. Remember I told you if you think possessive, you think mine. To show I own it, it belongs to me or it belongs to you. So owns shows who owns something, which is the possessive part. Something or has something, which is the noun part. Does that make sense? Let me go over it one more time. Possessive noun shows who owns, and owns is the possessive part of our possessive noun. Something or has something, which is the noun part of our possessive noun. Awesome. Let's go on to the second part of our definition. To make a possessive noun, add a comma s to a person, animal, place, or thing. To make a possessive noun, add a comma s to a person, animal, place, or thing. So how in the first sentence I showed you with the definition, what part of the definition shows the possessive part and the noun part. Now here, the comma s shows the possessive part, and person, animal, place, or thing is our noun. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like. For example, Matt's bike is red. Matt, a noun. Matt's a possessive noun. The comma s is showing who the bike belongs to. Matt's bike is red. That wouldn't make sense, right? So we say Matt's bike is red. So whose bike is it? Matt's bike. And how do we know? Because of the apostrophe s. And that's what you call a possessive noun. Let's look at another example. The dog's name is Rex. Let's look at that again. The dog's name is Rex. The dog, which is an animal, a noun, with the comma s, it becomes a possessive noun because whose name is Rex? The dog. Let's go over that one more time. Matt's bike is red. Matt's bike is red. Whose bike is red? Matt's. The dog's name is Rex. Whose name is Rex? The dog's. Awesome. So When we're working with possessive nouns, the questions we are asking is whose, okay? Let's write that down. So, our question word when we think possessive is who, okay? Whose bike is it? Whose cake is it? Whose birthday is it? Awesome. Now let's do a quick little activity just to help you understand possessive nouns a little bit more better. Awesome. Let's go back to our board and look at our activity. I have 3 questions here, or rather 3 sentences, and what we're going to do is we're going to fill in the possessive nouns. Let's get started. So, the car belongs to my mother. It is car. So the question we're asking here is who, right? Who? The car belongs to my mother. So whose car is it? My mother's car. It is my mother's, comma, S, car. Whose car is it? My mother's car. The dog belongs to Tony. It is dog. Question we're asking here is who? Tony. Because the dog belongs to Tony. So it is Tony's dog. Let's go down. The keys belong to my father. The question is who? The keys belong to my father. My father. It is my father's keys. So, you see, asking who helps a lot to figure out how and what is our possessive noun. Possessive noun, we think who. The car belongs to my mother. Whose car? My mother's. The dog belongs to Tony. Whose dog? Tony's. The keys belong to my father. Whose? Father. Awesome. So thank you so much for joining me on this lesson and exercise with possessive nouns. I really do hope that it helped you understand possessive nouns a little bit better. See you again next time. Bye.